Hello and welcome to my students. Today's lectures we have see the topics trigonometric points defects in solids. Now we have see the Frenkel defect. This defect was discovered by the Russian scientist like Frenkel in 1926. Such a type of defects mainly found in the ionic crystals. These defects are arise due to ion missing from its lattice position and it occupies the interstitial position. Means such defects are arise due to ion missing. After ion missing, they get the occupied interstitial position. For example, the silver bromide crystals which shows such a type of defect. The cation Ag plus ions they occupy the position in interstitial space rather than its appropriate position. The presence of Ag plus ions in the interstitial space of silver bromide crystals, which is useful for the formation of photographic image on the exposure of the silver bromide crystal. So how will you use such a type of impurity in presence in the photographic image exposure? How will you use the presence of these silver ions? What happens? These silver ions, which is interstitial space of silver bromide, then these crystals which is useful form the photographic image after the missing of Ag plus ions. That is, they it shows photographic plate to light effect by silver bromide ions. Now we have see clear picture of this Frenkel defect or shows that last times we have seen in Schottky defect. In Schottky defects are happens Schottky defects are shows that at a times the cations and anions they will be missing with each other. But in Frenkel defects we are shows that the one of these cations like this Ag plus are missing with each other. But after missing the vacancy they will be create are this white colored circle or shows this create the vacancy. And such a types of the cations like Ag plus they form the lattice point and they will migrate and to interstitial position. So this Ag plus ions they will be migrate from this position to their interstitial positions, and therefore what happens, the vacancy will be created at the point. So this vacancy which is the missing of Ag plus ions, and therefore in Frenkel defect the number of cations and anions they will be not affect on the density because the number of cations and anions they will be same, which is not decrease or increase in this crystal lattice. For example, the zinc sulfide also shows that such a type of defect like a Frenkel defect. These defects appear in ionic compound, but such a type of defects which shows the negative ions much larger than the positive ions, means such a defects which appears in which it having the negative ions larger than the positive ions. Now we have see the radius ratio. The radius ratio and coordination number of this Frenkel defect is the low. It is also the Frenkel defect which is not affect the density of the crystals, because the number of ions they will be same. Only difference is that Schottky and Frenkel defect. The Frenkel defect, the number of ions they will be same, and therefore the which is not affect on the density of the crystals. Only missing of the positions of cations are there in Frenkel defect. But Schottky defect, what happens? The at a times the cations and anions they will be live to each other, and therefore it affect the density of the crystals. But Frenkel defect only change the position of the cations or these anions, means it only missing the positions. It is a hybrid defect, means number of cations and anions in the crystal remain the same, even missing the of anions, means one of these anion will be missed. Thus times the number of cations and anions will be similar or the same. The crystal remains neutral because the number of cations and number of anions having the similar number. Now we will going to discuss the consequences of Schottky and Frenkel defect. The first consequences we are see is here. The crystal is able to conduct electricity to a small extent by their ionic mechanism. So which type of mechanism is operate? Ionic mechanism. The electric field is applied by these crystals. We are shows that the atom can move from its lattice site and they occupy vacancy, and these vacancy create a new vacancy nearby ions, they move into it. Such a process of migration of this vacancy, thereby the ion is continuous way to the electricity get conducted, and this one end to other end of the crystal and across the whole of the crystal this electricity gets conducted. Frenkel defects, they will be create similar charges which having the closer which tends to increase the dielectric constant of the crystals. The Frenkel defect increase the dielectric constant of the crystals by increasing their similar charges. Next, the presence of vacancies. Third or last consequences, the presence of vacancy lower the density of the crystal and lower will be stability of the crystals, means that if we having the presence of vacancies means lower the density of the crystals, and density lower, therefore the lattice energy or the stability of the crystal they will be lower. There may be presence of many vacancies in these crystals. They cause the partially collapse the lattice, and therefore such types of vacancy which will affect on this lattice or various crystal lattice. And last points we have see is here we have see the difference between this Schottky and Frenkel defect. First, by definition, two different definitions are there. Schottky defect in an ionic crystals, when positive and negative ions are completely missing, this positive and the negative ions, they are completely missing from their lattice site and create the vacancies in the crystal. This called as Schottky defect. Schottky defect मध्ये काय होतंय की पॉझिटिव्ह आणि निगेटिव्ह आयन्स हे काय असतात, कम्प्लिटली मिसिंग असतात आणि फ्रॉम देअर लॅटिस साइट, आणि इट क्रिएट द व्हॅकन्सीज, इज कॉल्ड एज अ शॉर्टकी डिफेक्ट. फ्रेंकल डिफेक्ट मध्ये काय होतंय, इन फ्रेंकल डिफेक्ट when ion will be missing but from its lattice position, ion will be missing from its lattice position and they occupy interstitial position between the lattice point. This is called as a Frenkel defect. म्हणजेच फ्रेंकल डिफेक्ट मध्ये काय होतंय की फक्त आयन मिसिंग होतात, कुठून त्याची पोझिशन पासून फक्त थोडेसे दूर जातात आणि दुसऱ्या पोझिशनवर दुसऱ्या प्लेस कडे जातात किंवा जवळ त्याच्यात जवळ जातात, त्याला म्हणतात इंटरस्टिशियल पोझिशन बिटवीन द लॅटिस पॉइंट विच इज कॉल्ड ॲज अ फ्रेंकल डिफेक्ट. तसं शॉर्टकी डिफेक्ट मध्ये काय होतं, कम्प्लिटली मिसिंग होतं पॉझिटिव्ह आणि निगेटिव्ह आयन्स आणि वॅकन्सी तयार होते, त्याला म्हणतो शॉर्टकी डिफेक्ट. इन शॉर्टकी डिफेक्ट decrease the density of the crystals. Why decrease the density of the crystals? Because the number of cations and anions will be decreases. Frenkel defect मध्ये काय आहे, it is not change the density of the crystal. Why? Because number of cations and anions will be similar. Next difference, the Schottky defects occur in the crystals having high coordination number and Frenkel defects which occurs in low coordination number. Radius ratio Schottky defect मध्ये the radius ratio which is found to be equal to 1, but Frenkel defect radius ratio they will be low. Schottky defect which is predominant in alkali halides like this KBr, potassium bromide, but Frenkel defect it is predominant in silver halides like the silver bromides. Schottky defect which is more oftenly appears due to less energy, and Frenkel defect which is not oftenly appears due to their require more energy. For example, the Schottky defect which is found to be the sodium chloride, barium oxide, titanium chloride, etc. And Frenkel defect which is found to be the silver chloride, zinc sulfide, etc. Thank you.